from the Midwest, we drive on the right, and you want to squeeze and you want to look straight ahead. You want to aim high, just like walking down the hallway at school, right? Hey, Izzy, how are you doing? Hey, TikToker, how are you? So lane positioning is extremely important. A lot of beginners tend to hug the right. You'll kind of be drifting off the side of the road. Thank you for liking my live. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I want you to help me hit my goal. I want to do well, and I want to go live and tell you and help you with driver's education. So lane positioning is really important. You have an edge line to the right. That's a white line. And then you have a broken line to your left. That could be either solid white. That tells you can change lanes. Let's talk about turn signals. There is a blinker. It's about this long. It's usually on the left. Down is for left, up is for right. If you're just dropping in, I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're talking about maneuverability. I'm answering your questions. Tell